Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Aye. Kaya and meditate, ya man. Me walk alone pon a pot of stone, far from city, from flesh and bone. Me spirit roam in a misty land. Me hold your book, not Babylon brand. No distraction, no vanity, just the rustle of leaves and sanity. Them say lonely, me say clear. In a silence, your voice appear. In a the quiet I grow. Roots dig deep, and me soul just flow. No crowd, no hype, just me and your light. In a the quiet, me sight get bright. In a the quiet I grow. Like river that no boast but steady flow. Me no fear fi be alone, cause in a stillness me find home. Me sit pan rock, the moon me friend. Chalice burn till the night don't end. Them chase fame, them chase illusion. Me hold tight to your conclusion. Them build kingdom from concrete steel. Me build strength from what me feel. Me nah envy, me nah war. Me just climb like Zion star. Too much noise in a Babylon town. Them all climb but still fall down. Me climb slow but me climb wise. Me take time, we study the skies. In a silence, me sing I song. Me chant it soft, but me roots strong. In a the quiet I grow. Rasta seeds in a soul me sow. Me no need crowd fi validate. Me stand firm at Jah gate. Inna the quiet I know everything Jah make just so. Me nah rush, me nah run. Me rise slow like morning sun. Some say silence is punishment, but me know it's a sacrament. For every breath me give thanks. Me walk alone but me full of ranks. Me see them lost in the flashy light. Me trod alone in a sacred night. Me whisper prayer in a ancient tongue. Me chant psalms when me father sung. Me no hide, me no seek. Me just live real, humble and meek. Jah bring storm, but him bring calm. Me find peace in him holy psalm. Inna the quiet I grow. Me not chase what them show. Me not dance fi Babylon stage. Me write truth on every page. Inna the quiet I grow. Even when the cold wind blow, me stay warm with Jah a kush inna the chalice, yeah man. Light up the chalice, silence inna the room. Incense mix with the evening bloom. Me sit still like stone, but me mind fly high. Inna the smoke, me reason with the sky. Inna the corner, me sit herbs in a hand. Me float like breeze over Greenland. Meditation deeper than ocean floor. Each breath me take, me open one door. No distraction, no noise, no fight. Just me and Jah inna the soft twilight. Me no need preacher nor politician. Me find truth in the Rasta tradition. Smoke and silence me in a flight. Ganja guide I through darkest night. No chaos, no fear, just vibration. Rasta trod through revelation. Smoke and silence, sacred fire. Me burn it slow and rise up higher. Ancient stories travel through trees. Ancestor voice echo in a ear. Me hold still, me listen clear. Ganja show I what Babylon hide. Teach how fi walk with pride. Not in riches nor in fame, but in love and Jah holy name. Me build a temple in a me mind. Clean and pure, no war inside. Me sip me roots, me burn the leaf. Me sing away me doubt and grief. No judgment here, no hate arrive. Only herbs, only soul, only vibes. Smoke and silence, endless sky. Me meditate till me spirit fly. Me no chase no man-made dream. Me live simple, clean and green. Smoke and silence, high vibration. Me chant through every tribulation. Me teach me youth, hold firm, think deep. Herbs fi uplift, no fi sleep. Me no glorify just the smoke, but the message when the silence spoke. It bring me closer to Jah throne. Me realize me never alone. It heal me scars, it calm me rage. It guide me words when me walk on stage. Too many rush, too many blind. Me take me time, me clear me mind. Me no panic, me no pretend. Me live true from start to end. Smoke and silence bless the ear. Me reason with Jah, me soul get clear. Me trod with music, me trod with flame. Me live for love, not name or fame. Smoke and silence, pure connection. Rasta man move in right direction. So come sit with I under the moon. Let the chalice sing a healing tune. In the stillness we rise above, wrapped in herb, music and love. Zion echoes carry this song. Smoke and silence. Jah make me stronger. hills, me build me hut. Smoke rise slow, peaceful up me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline. Just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow. Cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds are sing rhythm pon the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in me soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I way life start. Hillside vibration, higher meditation. Ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in a morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise, with the stars above and roots fi guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise, just the flute and the Rasta voice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we chant, blaze fire upon hill, drumming and chanting until we feel still. Hillside vibration, sacred foundation. Blaze one feature in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead, with natural love and righteous seed. Me see too much man, chase shadow and dream. Blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up your soul, me find me breath. Away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass. Teach I listen, show I class. I and I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in a day yard. Life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars. Sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in a hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss, me live clean. Me temp me natural, me vibe serene. Hillside vibration, soul elevation, with ital stew and deep meditation. Come fi visit but leave your worry. Me teach you how fi slow, no hurry. Inna the hills, Rasta man reign with a smiling heart and no pain. So if Babylon life make you feel low, come find Rasta up where breeze blow. Ganja, drum and harmony, live free under Jah canopy. Zion echoes bring this sound from hillside art to world around. Nana, ganja everywhere, yeah man. Me day up on the earth with no cheering from me mind. Me spirit like a lion, ancient and divine. No gold watch, no office life. Just the sun, me herbs and natural life. Me walk barefoot, panjalan. Feel the heartbeat in a me hand. Mountains whisper secrets deep, and me hold them sacred in a sleep. Firelight and freedom are that me need. Herb in a chalice, pure soul me feed. From Kingston to Addis, me heart a drum. Rasta now run with just chant and come. Firelight and freedom, no stress me keep. Just chant a psalm when the night get deep. Give thanks for the moon and stars above. Every draw me take is a prayer of love. Me no need mansion or diamond ring. The highest treasure is the song me sing. Me life no complicated, me keep it real. I tell stew cook while me spin the wheel. No TV brainwash, no fake illusion. Me sip me roots tonic fi clear confusion. Rasta teach patience, Rasta teach grace. Me move with balance in a job place. Me see people chase things them can't even hold. Me prefer a hammock and sunshine gold. Rasta no bow to vanity dream. Me trod light through every stream. Me light one candle, burn one leaf. Me chant out pain, me chant out grief. Jah guide me steps through thunder and storm. Me spirit stay cool, me heart stay warm. Firelight and freedom, me inner guide. No system can drown this holy tide. Me blaze one eye, give thanks in song. Rasta not stray, me roots too strong. No preacher, no ruler control me fate. Me soul walk free through Zion gate. Each morning me rise with the birds. Me write me joy in musical words. Me plant me seeds with love and care. And me meditate till me mind feel clear. Herb is me healing, not me escape. Me no run from truth, me shape me fate. Every draw a sacred right. Open me mind to inner sight. Rasta life no easy, but it's full. Full of vibes and spiritual pull. When me drum, me talk to stars. Me soul connect with ancestors afar. So me sing with no fear. Me chant till Babylon disappear. Firelight and freedom, soul liberation. Ganja burn down, mental separation. From hillside drum to concrete lane. Rasta vibration will still remain. Firelight and freedom, sweet release. Me live for love, me live for peace. So come here now and rest your mind. Leave your phone, your clock behind. Under stars with my abingy flame. Me call your name and feel no shame. In this life of freedom and reason, me hold tight to firelight and freedom. Me rise before the sun, silence in the air. Wrap me dread, wash me face. Chant a little prayer, ganja leaf in a hand, heart in a calm. Me step in a nature, far from harm. Birds a sing, breeze a blow. Me sit on rock where cool rivers flow. Me born one, give thanks to Jah. For life, for breath, for every star. Sacred fire, blaze it high. Shine down illusion, reach the sky. Sacred fire, burn them light. Truth arise and Babylon cry. Sacred fire, retreat. Smoke curl like spiral sign. Me vision bright, me soul align. Oh Jah, guide me step from concrete stress to mountain depth. Me inhale breath, exhale fear. Me feel your presence, Jah Jah near. Sacred fire, blaze it high. Rasta light never die. Sacred fire, still my mind. Inner peace is what I find. Sacred fire, show the way. One love, one heart every day. Oh. She sit beside eyes so close, hands on heart, her spirit glows. Together we chant, together we feel that real love, that Rasta seal. Children gather, elders on. We beat the drum till Babylon done. Sacred flame in every song. We burn illusion, we stay strong. This fire no burn skin. It burns in ego and lie within. It show you who you are, from earth to star, from near to far. Sacred fire, carry we home. In a Zion, we freely roam. Smoke rise, mind clear. One love, one life, Jah always near. Ay, 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 ay. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, kaya kushina mi lung. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, kaya kushina mi lung. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, kaya kushina mi lung. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, kaya kushina mi lung. Early in the morning, sun touch my dread. Me light up the herb, clear thoughts from me head. Nature surround me, me spirit feel clean. No noise from the system, just bird and green. Barefoot pan earth, connection divine. Me heartbeat sync with jazz design. No gold, no chain, no modern deceit. Just roots and drum and the Naya bingy beat. Me close me eyes, me soul take flight. Through the smoke, me vision get bright. Lion in a me chest, still calm like sea. Meditation guide I to Jah eternally. Me no need no clock, time nah run I. Me reason with tree, me speak to sky. I tell food, me soul get fed. Me walk with the ancestors, not misled. Mystic light, a shine from within. Rasta spirit free, never caged in sin. We burn the fire, be clean, we wear one love vibration night and day. Lift up the chalice to Zion heights. Chant down fear, chant upright. Inna the smoke, me find me peace. Rasta meditation, soul release. Babylon build wall, but me plant vine. Me grow me garden sacred and fine. Banana tree, sweet mango ripe. Me play one rhythm and me hold that pipe. Sound system echo across the hill. vibes, positive frequencies, higher tides. Stars talk to I in ancient tongue, like Solomon wise from I was young. Me carry the staff, me know me road. Me heart full of love, me no carry load. Me no chant against them, me chant for I. For the youth them wake up, look to sky. Inhale deep, exhale pain. Rasta no sunshine, follow rain. Mystic light, a shine from within. Rasta spirit free, never caged in sin. We burn the fire, we clean, we way. One love vibration, night and day. Lift up the chalice to Zion heights. Chant down fear, chant up rights. Inna the smoke, me find me peace. Rasta meditation, soul release. Jah music heal like river stream in the heartbeat rhythm. Me find me dream, so me play the drum. Me sing the song. Me know me roots, me know where me belong. From hills of Jamaica to Europe gate, Zion echo spread love, now preach it. So come make we reason under moonlight. All a joy, all a vibe, hold it tight. Passing by, she say Rasta man, you feel this light? Me say yes, Empress, Jah bless this night. We sit under tree, chant a little song, drum beat in the distance. Love feels strong, no city light, just stars above. Me hold our hand, that's roots man love. We smoke, we chant, we float on air. No worry, no fear, we free from care. In harmony we rise, in herbs we trust. Rasta love strong, no fade, no rust. Me give a right all, me cook with soul. step blessed along the way. She teach me balance, I give her flame. Together we rise in Jah name. We smoke, we chant, we float on air. No worry, no fear, we free from care. In harmony we rise, in herbs we trust. Rasta love strong, no fade, no rust. Zion echoes carry our voice. Me and me queen, we make the choice. Love in our roots, life in a tree. Rasta forever, wild and free. One. Zion echoes carry our voice. Me and me queen, we make the choice. Love in our roots, life in a tree. Rasta forever, wild and free. One. Zion brother, let the session begin. Yeah man. Born in a little village pon the hillside breeze, under star sky and mango trees. Me mama chant psalms by the firelight. Me papa build roof before the daylight. Me nah know city, me nah know war. Me only know love, me only know star. Goat them call me name from the field. Nature teach me what man conceal. Me barefoot run through the wet red clay. Me spirit rise with each break of day. No Wi-Fi but me connected deep to the moon, the tide to me soul's keep. Me a Rasta Born from me ear to me soul. Me walk Jah way, me never lose control. Me chant and plant, me drum and dance. Life sweet like ital, pure like trance. Me a Rasta Born, in a love me grow. From root to fruit, me truth them show. No riches, but me rich in grace. Me live each day with a smiling face. Me burn herb for the healing, not for hype. Me meditate when the stars align right. Me sit under tree, reason with thyself. Me nah look fame, me look soul wealth. Me find beauty in rain pan zinc, in a Sistren Love and a brother's wink. Me take time for the sunrise glow, each moment sacred, slow and low. Me sing for Jah, me sing for earth, me sing for the people who know them worth. Me no want status or no crown, just a hammock swing and the root sound. Me say, let the breeze blow me dread, let the smoke curl high, let the bird fly free. Me nah ask why. Me bless every meal, me bless every tone. Me heart find home when me there alone. I tell stew bubble, me sister sweet. Life in the hills, it complete. Me strum me guitar while rain fall light. This life not loud, but it feel right. Me a Rasta Born with a lion heart. Me nah fake smile, me nah play part. Me nah compete, me elevate. Me soul me nah negotiate. Me a Rasta Born, hear me song and know that peace can grow where love flow slow. Me walk with fire but me burn for heal. Each chant me sing, me spirit feel. Me sight Babylon truck on TV once. Them loud and fast but empty response. Me rather the quiet of coconut fall than the noise of wall after wall. Me play rhythm in a twilight haze. Me hand clap praise, me mindset blaze. Me sistren bring fruits, I in a basket weave. Me say, love live long when you believe. Children run laugh by the river bend. Me see hope where some say end. Me not preach, me just live so. And hope say the world go flow. So if you're tired of the race and chase, come find me in a still place where herb grow wild and music live. Where you know take your...
Aye, aye, aye. Cannot cushion me bang ya man. Early in the morning, sun kiss me skin. Me roll up wisdom, firelight within. Me not burn fi fun or hyper trend. Me burn herb fi heal, fi truth me send. One little draw and me spirit rise. Me see through lies, me cleanse me eyes. Me sit on rock, watch the eagle fly. Me feel Jah near, me not ask why. Them say weed fi fool, but them blind as still. Me use the leaf fi strengthen will. It open door where system close. It make the rebel mind expose. Sacred smoke, it lift me soul. It carry me away from Babylon control. One breath deep, me heart beat free. Me rise above, me come back to me. Sacred smoke, me cloud and shield. It bring the peace where them try to steal. Me sit in silence, me hear Jah voice. This herb of Zion, it make me rejoice. Me nah sip liquor, me nah pop pill. Me light up chalice, feed Jah will. Me sight roots inna the flame. Me call ancestors by them name. Me see me granny in the whiff. She smile and send me blessing swift. Me chant redeem while the ember glow. This ritual make the river flow. No cigarette, no ashtray for me. Me burn the herb and the tamarind tree. Each draw a prayer, each cloud a sign. Each higher stairway to Jah design. Oh, fire burn, but it burn for heal. Me feel the message that Babylon conceal. Me herb is sacred, me herb is life. Me herb cut illusion sharp like knife. No shame, no fear, me carry this flame. Me nah play game, me chant Jah name. In a smoke, me find me truth. In a smoke, me heal me youth. Sacred smoke, it lift me soul. It carry me far from the system's role. Me inhale peace, me exhale stress. Me herb a guide, me soul confess. Sacred smoke, me wings and light. It turn me shadow into sight. This is me sacrament, me daily bread. It raise me higher when the world feel dead. Me born with elders, me born with friend. Me born in solitude when vibes ascend. Me born before chant, before me eat. Me born fi cleanse, me in a street. Them try fi lock it, them try fi ban. But Jah plant herb before man. It grow in wild, it grow in free. It grow for you, it grow for me. Me nah abuse, me give respect. Each spliff me build, me heart protect. Me not chase high, me seek insight. Me herb a torch in the longest night. So next time you see smoke rise, no, it's not escape, it's just surprise. It's healing breath in Babylon air. It's rebel ripe, it's soul repair. Sacred smoke, me roots, me sky. Me journey start where clouds fly high. Give thanks for life, for fire, for breeze. And me chant Rastafari in peace. Ay, 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 Rasta smoking. Bambus bang ya man. Me step out barefoot pan sacred land. One drum, one chalice inna me hand. Me nah need no mic fi chant truth. Me voice echo back from the mountain youth. Me light it up, not just fi high, but fi touch the sky. Fi question why them sell with peace in a plastic bag, while elders still walk with weary rag. Me say nah, not again, me say nah. Me born Babylon with holy Jah. Me drum talk louder than parliament speech. Me chalice teach more than what school preach. Drum Drum and chalice, fire and smoke. Rasta rise when the world provoke. We no need gold nor flashing light, just heartbeat strong and herb ignite. Drum and chalice, deep meditation, spirit rebel in a sacred vibration. Hear the rhythm, feel the flame. In Jah name, we break them chain. Me sit in a circle with warrior soul. Elders chant while the ganja roll. Me nah hide me truth in silence cave. Me words like thunder, me chant fi brave. Them say me mad, me say me free. Me live by moon, by root, by tree. Me nah worship screen, me worship ground. Me find salvation in a bingy sound. Each puff a prayer, each beat a cry. Each step me take, me walk high. Me nah bow down, me nah conform. Me rise through storm like lion born. System try mash we mental state, but we drum rewrite that heavy fate. Me hold me chalice, me face the storm. Me rebel with love, me nah lukewarm. Them can't decode what Rasta know. Them fear the light, in a we glow. No badge, no crown, just clarity. Me kingdom built in simplicity. So me chant down war, me chant up peace. Me herb bring healing, me words release. Me rebel without no gun nor knife. Me rebel with roots, music and life. Drum and chalice, fire and smoke. Rasta rise when the world provoke. We no need gold nor flashing light, just heartbeat strong and herb ignite. Drum and chalice, deep meditation, spirit rebel in a sacred vibration. Hear the rhythm, feel the flame. In Jah name, we break them chain. Me seen too much, me feel too deep. Me can't pretend, me not sleep. Me eyes wide like dawn just break. Me know this system fake up and fake, so me burn it with love. Me rise with style, me walk righteous smile by mile. Me reason with stars, me reason with rain. Me chant for joy, me chant through pain. Me share me spliff with me brethren near. Me share me wisdom, me share no fear. The youth them listen when rhythm strong. Me use the music fi right the wrong. So when the night feel dark and cold, grab your drum and herb of old. Me tell you truth, me not disguise. Me rebel with sound, me rebel wise. Drum and chalice, that a me way. Me live free in a Rasta day. No force, just flow. No hate, just grow. Through the rhythm, the whole world know.
Aye, 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 my Rastas. Let decision begin, yeah, man. Early morning light, me open up me eye. Steam rise from the chalice, just spirit in the sky. Me barefoot on the ground, connection deep and true. I and I, a child of earth, me heart beat like bamboo. No rushing at this life, me take it slow. Nature teach the rhythm, every leaf a glow. The sun arise like fireball, burning out Babylon dream. Me all a reason with trees, me not chase no bling bling. Blaze up the herbs, elevate me soul. Zion Highway, that's the holy goal. Roots man walk with no disguise. In this life, we seek the high. Me take a draw, inhale the truth. healing of the nation, wisdom of youth. From hills of Jamaica to mountain Ethiopia, one love vibration, me chant it with utopia. Me no need no system to define who I be. Me roots dig deep in ancient prophecy, meditation in a silence. Me higher self a guide. Me float in a frequency no evil can reside. Under moonlight me chant psalms. Me whole ital food in a me palms. Me reason with the ancients in dreamtime gates. Them show me the path, me destiny awaits. Lion roar in a jungle, remind me who me be. A warrior of peace, me hold the reggae key. No gun, no war, just rhythm and faith. Me beloved Zion in a humble state. Blaze up the herbs, elevate me soul. Zion highway, that's the only goal. Roots man walk with no disguise. In a this life, we seek the highs. Me ride the rhythm like a bird palm breeze. Me chant liberation through ancient trees. Each breath a prayer, each word a flame. Me burn illusion, me not play Babylon game. Me see children smile in the villages far. No money but them richer than fancy car. Me share me ganja like love, me pass it round. No judgment here, we chant on sacred ground. Yeah, 420 vibes every day. Me not stray, me not sway. Just good food, good herb, good sound. One Rasta love, it always come round. So me said to the youth, stay true, stay high. Me not talk drugs, me talk mind's eye. Lift up your spirit, let go the stress. We born for greatness, not for less. Me end this chant with peace in a heart. Rasta mission up your sacred heart. Zion let goes, we forward again. In our roots and rhythm, love always reign. Libertin'.
Oi, oi, oi. Attachis. Smoke your man. The sight are from the hilltop breeze. Locks flowing like river through the trees. No makeup, no mask, no disguise. Just natural fire in her eyes. She move like rhythm, talk like drum. Each word she speak make wisdom come. No rush, no game, no show. She walk with purpose, she let Jah glow. Me nah look for queen in a golden flash. Me look for empress who built from ash. She plant seed in a soil so deep. She water it with silence and keep. Sistren love, it pure and real. Not fi show off, just love fi feel. She nah bend, she nah beg. She stand strong pan roots and leg. Sistren love, me temple light. Me hold her close in the darkest night. Me nah own her, me walk beside. Two lion hearts in one true ride. She cook ital food with love and care. Bless the pot, say Jah prayer, she teach the youth fi overstand. Say knowledge strong like working hand. She burn the herb fi heal, not hype, and chant psalms when the moon is ripe. She carry story of her tribe in every glance. Me feel that vibe. Me tell her queen, me not control. She tell me king, me not play a role. We walk in balance, give and take. We building truth, we not fake. Love not live in chains. Love not live in pain. It live in breath, in look, in flame. It rise when two heartbeats same. She na me shadow, me na her sun. We two trees growing from one, rooted deep in Jah design. Me call her royal and she call me divine. Sistren love, it not pretend. It start in soul, it not just trend. She rise me up, me keep her grounded. With her by me side, me life surrounded. Sistren love like a river flow. Clean, powerful, steady and slow. She not follow crowd, she follow Jah. And that's the realest love me ever saw. Them say love fade in Babylon fire, but we keep flame, we rise higher. We not break when pressure fall. We chant together, we answer call. She tell me, king, protect your mind. Me tell our queen, you always shine. No ego, no fight, just truth and grow. No need for stage, just roots for show. So me sing this song for all empress true, who walk in grace with sky so blue. Me love not living cheap wordplay. It living on me treat her every day. So when you see me hold her hand, no say it deeper than you understand. Is not hype, is not show, is I and love, and that's how it go. Sistren love, one heart, one light, guided by Jah through every night. And when the world feel cold or rough, me rest me soul in her sistren love.
Zion echoes. Yeah, man, smoke Cali weed. Smoke and meditate on Jaja word. Herb make the soul sing like Jah bird. The fire keep blazing, Jah light we see. Babylon can't touch a ganja tree. Me say early morning, the herb make me rise. The sun come up, Jah bless the skies. The spliff inna me hand, the chalice ablaze. Me chant Jah name inna all me days. Babylon fight it, them not go win. Jah love inna the herb, it cleanse me sin. Herb bring the vibes, make the world unite. Jah guide the path in a righteous light. From the hills of Jamaica to the streets of the town, herb is the power fi make the world crown. Smoke and meditate on Jaja word. Herb make the soul sing like Jah bird. The fire keep blazing, Jah light we see. Babylon can't touch a ganja tree. Me say roll it tight, pass it round. The vibes make the world lift off the ground. From the hills of Addis to Kingston town, the herb make the Rasta wear Jah crown. Them call it a crime, but Jah set it free. The healing of the nation, Jah ganja tree. Babylon can't stop the love we share. Herb bring the peace where we declare. Me say roll the spliff, me light the fire. The herb is the truth, the herb take me higher. Babylon can't touch the herb we defend. The ganja had the power, the herb we send. Smoke and meditate on Jaja word. Herb make the soul sing like Jah bird. The fire keep blazing, Jah light we see. Babylon can't touch a ganja tree. Me say ganja man rise, it's time for the chant. The herb had the gift for the Rasta plant. Babylon a fight, but Jah love the
stay firm and long. The struggle are real, the pain can't hide, but the herb make the truth start feel collide. It bring the peace, it bring the joy, fit the youth and the elder, fit the girl and the boy. So me say burn it high, burn it true. Herb fit the people, fit the chosen few. Babylon can't stop your holy plan. Herb fit the healing of every man. Sunshine pan Mama Africa, golden light bless up the land so spectacular. Me hear the ancestors' voice in a deep breeze. Them whisper wisdom, them set we free. The drum them a beat heart strong in me chest. Aja guide me, me know me bless. The rivers them flow, the mountains stand tall. Africa rise up, we never go fall. Me look to the youth, me see the spark. Revolution rise, light up the dark. The knowledge return, the culture ignite. Me chant for the future, me chant with might. Rising sun over Africa, light up the way. The lion them roar, the warriors stay. We fight for the truth, we break the chain. Jaja blessings fall like rain. The system still a try hold we down, but we stand tall. We wear the crown, the spirit of freedom, it never go die. Me see it in the people, me see it in the sky. Me walk through the market, the vendors them smile. Despite all the struggles, them stay versatile. The children a laugh, the elders them teach. We spread your love, we practice, we preach. Them can't erase the history deep. The ancestors' voice in our sleep. We wake up strong, we rise up bold. We tell the story, we make it unfold. Me chant down oppression, me chant down hate. We march for the future, we change, we fate. The fire still burn, the message stay true. Africa rise up, the time brand new. Rising sun over Africa, light up the way. The lion them roar, the warriors stay. We fight for the truth, we break the chain. Jaja blessings fall like rain. Me travel the road from Kingston town. Me feel the connection, me feel the sound. The drum them echo, the message spread. The past still guide we move ahead. Me see the farmers, them work the field. Jah bless the crops, Jah bless the yield. The roots them deep, the land still strong. We hold the faith, we chant Jah song. No longer divided, we stand as one. We see the future, we see the sun. No chain can hold we, no system break. The spirit of Africa never forsake. The school them full, the children learn. We take back knowledge, the tables turn. The leaders rise, the voices loud. We break the silence, we make Jah proud. Me see the mothers, them hold the child. We teach them peace, we teach them style. We no need no war, we no need no gun. We only need love, we only need sun. The mountain call.
We light the herb, we feel the rise. We take a puff, we see the skies. We chant for the peace, we chant for the sound. We rise above, we never come down. We pass the chalice, we feel the fire. We free from the pain, we go higher. We roll the spliff, we light the flame. We smoke the ganja, we call the name. Inna the smoke, we rise above. We free from the pain, we live in a love. We smoke the herb, we feel the high. We chant for the rhythm, we touch the sky. Pass the chalice, we feel the flow. We chant the rhythm, we fire, me blaze the green. Me chant for the herb, me live for the steam. Me move through the haze, me rise through the light. Me free from the stress, me rise through the night. Me feel the rhythm, me feel the beat. Me pass the chalice, me move the feet. Inna the smoke, me rise above. Me free from the pain, me live in a love. Me smoke the herb, me feel the high. Me chant for the rhythm, me touch the sky. Me roll the spliff, me light the fire. Me chant for the herb, me go higher. Feel the peace, me feel the sound. Me rise to the top, me keep it round. Me pass the chalice, me chant the truth. Me rise through the smoke, me stay in the youth. Me blaze the ganja, me free from the chain. Me live for the herb, me feel the gain. Inna the smoke, me rise above. Me free from the pain, me live in a love. Me smoke the herb, me feel the high. Me chant for the rhythm, me touch the sky. Me light the herb, me rise through the haze. Me chant for the rhythm, me free from the maze. Me blaze the ganja, me feel the flame. Me pass the chalice, me chant the name.
Footsteps echo in the morning light. March of the free, rise we fight. No headline show it, no newscast play, but the people rise anyway. Me no born fi follow, me born fi lead. Me voice a fire, me word a seed. Them build system from fear and lie, but truth still rise like morning sky. City full of code, full of chain. Them program youth fi chase in vain. But me say knowledge are the true defense, more than wall or high expense. Me chant fi the silent, fi the unheard, fi the youth who can't find them word. Me step steady in a ancient style, with barefoot wisdom and just smile. This a the march of the free, no chain hold me destiny. We chant, we move, we grow, rhythm lead wherever we go. Me granny tell me, speak your truth, don't lose soul, the glitter youth. Me carry that like sacred scroll, me vice a bridge, me aim is whole. Babylon push fear like wine, but we drink roots from Javine. We nah need a power machine, we feel what love and freedom mean. Me no beg, me no bow, me live in truth, me chant it now. With every step, me spirit rise, like sun a break through cloudy skies. This a the march of the free, no chain hold me destiny. We chant, we move, we grow, rhythm lead wherever we go. So if you feel that fire inside, don't let them hush it, don't let it hide. March with love, march with flame, and chant your holy name.
carry the load. Me rise in the fight, me never implode. Freedom is alright, me just go. Me born in the struggle, me born for the fight. Me no live for the chains, me reach for the light. Me free in my soul, me keep the sight. Freedom is the key, me hold it tight. Me rise up for the people, for the ones who fight. Me burn the fire, me spark the light. Me rise through the darkness, me out of the night. Freedom is alright, me I take flight. The chains I hold the people, me see the pain. But me no follow, me break the chain. Me rise from the pressure, me stand in a rain. Freedom is the answer, me speak the name. Freedom is alright, me walk the road. Me light the fire, me carry the load. Me rise in the fight, me never implode. Freedom is alright, me just go. Me see the world in a confusion and strife. Me hear the cries of the oppressed life. But me trust in Jah, me keep the knife. Me stand for the truth, me rise from the rife. Me light the spliff, me calm the mind. Me see the truth, me know the kind. Me rise in a freedom, me no left behind. Me voice are the weapon, me speak for the blind. Me know freedom and me birthright. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the fight. Me trust in Jah, me walk in a light. Freedom is alright, me future so bright. Freedom is alright, me walk the road. Me light the fire, me carry the load. Me rise in the fight, me never implode. Freedom is alright, me just go.